Hi, Assalamualaikum. For today's video, I would like to present the chapter 1 for our FIN368, which is about the subject is on the credit management. Okay, so chapter 1 is actually about an overview of the credit management itself. Okay, so I'm recording this video since sometimes during our Google Meet session, I forgot to actually record the meeting, and also I might afraid some of you would miss our class, so I'm recording it to this channel. Okay, so hopefully this will be quite beneficial for you throughout your courses with this subject. Okay, so let's go to our chapter 1 overview of the credit management. So this is my simple slide. Most of the wording, most of the contents actually I took it from your textbook. Okay, from your textbook credit management written by Muhammad Shamli Salisi. So I'm not actually copying this book. It's just that most of my intention is I want to explain what does it mean by the content inside this textbook. Okay, so that's why I'm using a lot of straightforward lines and paragraph from the book itself, so it's easier for me to explain to you while you're reading your textbook. Okay, so let's go to the first one, the introduction. Okay, so what does it mean by credit management itself? So whatever you learn throughout any courses, normally you have to know the definition of the terms that being described in the course. Okay, so the first term that we are going to learn for today is about credit management itself. Jadi apakah maksud credit management? So credit management is the process to ensure that the customers will pay for the products delivered or the service rendered. So kita nak pastikan, in bahasa, kita nak pastikan bahawa customer kita tu yang buat sebarang pinjaman, yang membuat sebarang pembelian, so kita nak pastikan mereka akan bayar semuanya sekali. Okay, fulfill the payment. So right, I will ask you, what does it mean by credit management? Okay, so normally you will tend to a kind of translating. What does it mean by credit management? Yes, in bahasa is actually adalah pengurusan kredit. Okay, pengurusan kredit. Okay, ataupun senang cakap pengurusan hutang lah. So kita nak tengok dalam chapter ni, kita nak identify dan kita nak tahu apa yang dimaksudkan dengan pengurusan kredit. Apa yang dimaksudkan dengan pengurusan kredit, apa kegunaannya. So kebiasaannya pengurusan kredit ni banyak digunakan oleh company, kan, syarikat. Okay, mostly being used by companies, banks, okay, dan a lot of individual businessmen, okay, individual like businessmen, dan normally also banyak juga digunakan oleh syarikat kewangan, kredit or financial companies dekat luar sana. So itulah. Right, next, the credit management is a term used to identify accounting functions usually conducted under the umbrella of account receivable. Okay, do you still remember what does it mean by account receivables? Okay, I think you have learned this one in your financial accounting, maybe during semester 1, okay, semester 1. So account receivable juga you ada jumpa dalam FIN242 kan, when you are calculating certain chapters in FIN242. So normally account receivable dalam you punya financial statement, okay, dia akan duduk dekat bahagian asset. Kenapa asset? Normally because we are receiving money. We are receiving money. Okay, receiving money daripada siapa? Daripada kita punya customer. Okay, meaning to say untuk account receivable ni, okay, apa yang berlaku adalah customer akan beli barang dengan kita, right, secara kredit. Secara kredit. It must be based on kredit lah. So once you are lending ataupun kita sedang memberi pinjaman kepada customer itu dan mereka menjanjikan akan bayar secara kredit, maka kita akan buka satu account yang mana kita panggil account receivable. Okay. So dalam financial statement memang duduk di bahagian belah asset lah. Kalau kita punya company pula yang berhutang, okay, normally yang tu baru kita akan buka account payable kan, account payable. Ini maknanya kita pula yang berhutang dengan pihak lain lah. Jadi kita akan buka account payable. Tapi sebab tu account payable adalah sebelah liabilities kan. So duit keluar. So kita sedang membayar. Tetapi untuk account receivable, duit akan masuk ke syarikat kita. Okay. Saya jelaskan macam mana. So let me explain how does this money comes from this account receivable. Okay, so simple example, just the same one that I have given to you in during our meeting. Okay, so let's say you are handling a computer company, okay, syarikat komputer maybe. So there is one customer kan, dia beli katakanlah pihak sekolah ataupun pihak syarikat yang besar. So dia beli komputer dengan you punya company kan. Let's say your company is ABC Computer. Okay. Let's say its name is ABC Computer, right? ABC Com. Okay. So you punya company dapat supply a lot of computers to this one client. Let's say this client adalah come from a school maybe kan, daripada pihak sekolah. So pihak sekolah ni dia beli dengan you punya company komputer yang sangat banyak bernilai 900,000. Bernilai 900,000 kan. Let's say so the sales is around 900. Okay, 900. So being debited around 900,000. Let's see. For example lah, 900,000. However, what happened is that this school only could pay you some amount of only RM 840,000. So 800,000 and 840,000. Okay. So meaning to say there is still balance of RM 60,000. 60,000. So this RM of 60,000, katakanlah pihak sekolah ni dia minta dengan syarikat ABC Computer ni untuk bayar secara kredit. So meaning to say another 60,000 will be paid on credit. So this RM 60,000 is actually we put it under account receivable whenever the school actually already paid this amount. So amount ni adalah amount yang dia nak hutang. Jadi bila dia bayar nanti, let's say katakanlah dia setuju untuk bayar lagi 60,000 ni dalam masa 30 hari. Normally the credit term lah, dia ada credit term katakanlah credit term syarikat awak adalah 30 hari ataupun some of the credit term could be longer, ada yang letak 60 days kan. Okay, 60 days. Ada yang letak 90 days, 90 hari kan. So, it depends on your credit term lah. Katakanlah this ABC computer dia nak letak dalam masa 30 days. So, meaning to say after 30 days, dia akan bayar this 60,000. So, this 60,000 will be credited to your account receivable ini. So, sebab tu dia kata credit management merupakan term yang sangat kita selalu guna untuk identify this accounting function yang biasanya kita guna di bawah account receivable. Sebab account receivable ni sebenarnya those company sedang menguruskan hutang-hutang klien dia. Okay? So dia kena sentiasa pantau lah account receivable ini adakah customer tu mampu bayar dan sebagainya. Bila dia janji nak bayar. So ini yang kita akan selalu tengok dalam dalam credit management. Okay. So next. So account receivable also they mention are legally enforceable claim for payments to a business by its customer lah. Betul. So dia merupakan satu tuntutan yang sahlah diterima secara legal. Sebab tu setiap kali your customer beli barang dengan you kena bagi invoice. Setiap kali mereka membuat bayaran ataupun pembelian, kita kena bagi satu invoice. Invoice ni boleh diterima secara legal lah. Kalau apa-apa berlaku kemudian hari mereka nak buat tuntutan di mahkamah ke dan sebagainya. So you must have invoice. So invoice ni sentiasa dikeluarkan lah oleh syarikat. Okay, tambahan pula kalaulah mereka itu membeli secara hutang, lagilah kita perlukan invoice, kita perlukan bukti payment dan sebagainya. Okay, so itu yang dimaksudkan dengan legally enforceable lah. Kan boleh dikuatkuasakan, jadi perlukan invoice lah biasanya setiap kali berurusan secara sama ada cash ataupun kredit. Kalau kredit lagilah kita perlukan invoice dan segala bukti payment dan sebagainya. Okay, next. Basically dia kata credit management is all about assuring, pastikan customer atau buyer pay on time. Betul. So they must make sure these customers are able to pay you on time lah. Kalau pihak bank macam mana mereka handle kan. Normally kalau bank ataupun syarikat kredit, kewangan kan, normally biasanya dia akan kejar, chasing the customer. So always dia akan chasing the customer lah untuk pastikan customer tu akan pay on time. Untuk bayar setiap kali, kalau dia perlu bayar setiap 1 hari bulan, bank akan pastikan. Sebelum dia bagi pinjaman tu, dia akan pastikan this customer are able to do that lah. So dia kena kenal pasti ada cara dia kan. Nanti kita tengok. So credit cost are kept low. So dia juga nak pastikan apa yang dia bagi pinjam tu costnya adalah sangat rendah dan poor debts are managed in such a manner that the payment received would not damaging the relationship between the customers. Normally ini sangat penting lah. Sebab tu dia dah tetapkan awal-awal berapa hari bulan you kena bayar. So meaning to say you have to pay that amount. Okay, loan dan sebagainya. Dan tidak akan ada unsur peras ugut dan sebagainya di sini supaya mereka dapat jagalah relationship antara pihak pemberi hutang, okay, katakanlah bank dan juga customer itu tadi. So tidak akan wujud sebarang unsur yang tidak disukai di sinilah sebabnya mereka dah buat perjanjian dan agreement lebih awal. Jadi apabila functioning efficiently, credit management akan serve an excellent way for the business to remain financially stable. So ini sangat baguslah kalau sesuatu bank ataupun pihak company tu mampu kawal dia punya credit management, dia akan berkembang lebih pesat lah. Macam contoh saya bagi dalam kelas kan, contoh Ion Credit Services. You boleh Google, try cari tentang Ion Credit Service. So macam mana dia berkembang sampailah hari ni, kan sampai dia dah jadi macam conglomerate, something like that. Okay, so boleh Google tengok macam mana this company survive. because they do have this credit management yang sangat bagus lah bagi saya.